All right, so today we're going to be working here in the dining room. It is not a really big space, so I don't want to clutter it with a whole bunch of stuff, but I'm thinking at some point I'm going to change out those two prints to put two Christmas prints up there. I already have a tree in here, but I'm not sure yet. Should I put ornaments on it or should I just leave the lights on? So what do you think? Ornaments or just lights? And in here, I have my greens up in my chandelier, and I'm thinking I'm gonna hang some pretty clear ornaments to kind of jazz up that chandelier for a bit. And for my centerpiece, I'm gonna use my antique Coca-Cola crate and put like a mini tree in there and a lantern and some other goodies. On the back of each chair, I'm thinking about hanging a wreath, and I'm still not quite sure yet about what else to do with the table. Should I use a tablecloth or just leave it like this? But I don't know. Let's see. Let's just dive into it and see what we come up with.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile I can't seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel.
Okay, so the past few months I've been collecting these silver platters. I like to use them as chargers in my tablescapes. I never shine them. I like the patina look on them. I feel it gives my tablescapes a nice antique look. So I find I look for my platters at on Facebook Marketplace, in Goodwill, and also in antique stores. So there you have it.
Shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast. I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for that we'll fall in love in this winterland. Could we fall in love in this winterland? Wanna fall in love in this winter wonderland.
making frozen hot cocoa. So first, I'm going to put my ice cream. All right, so I have ice cream. Look at me over here making a mess. All right, get in there. All right. This ice up in here. All right. Milk. Swiss Miss hot cocoa. All right, so now you're going to cover your rim of your cup with frosting. It might be easier to use your finger, but purposes of this video, I'm using this spoon of this tutorial. All right, so you have your frosting all the way around the edge. I'm just using regular cake frosting. Just regular cake frosting. And then I'm gonna use this little bowl. Take your sprinkles and then just add your sprinkles around the edge. And just take your little leftover and you just kind of press it on there. Y'all watching me make a mess. I probably should have got a bigger bowl. You hear all the sprinkles hitting the ground. Yeah, the dogs will be eating it. I have Derek back here helping me film this for you all.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for